So I am basically going to use this strategy in this video, and we will also take some live trades. So this strategy will be completely price action based. So I am going to use price action tools for this video, and my trades will be completely live. And at the end, we will talk about trade history and total profit. But first of all, let's understand what trade I am taking, and what is the reason for it, basically. So, see here I have opened the Euro GBP asset, and here you can see in long-term and short-term also. Here the trend is upward. Now how did I know that? I know that because see, obviously, if the price of one place is increasing, majority candles are green. So it means that an uptrend is going on. It is a very simple thing. And how can I show the uptrend here? I can show it with a trend line. So I drew a trend line here, and here I am taking a trade of downward direction. Now, what is the reason for this? Because, see guys, the reason for this is trend reversal. Now, how did I know that the market will have a trend reversal from here? Because see, first of all, our trend line broke here. And second thing, if you see the wick of this candlestick, then it will be completely rejected from above. That is, the bulls. Bulls, that is, those people who buy here. They completely gave up that nothing can happen here now. So sellers entered here, and with the pressure of sellers, the buyers took the candle above. They also converted to red here, and the wick remained as a wick. So if you see such a wick and you see a breakout of a trend line here, then you can see that you can easily take a trade of trend reversal here, and your win will go. Now suppose a green candle was being made here. Then I would have taken a trade of upward direction here, because I knew that the buyers have control over the market. But here the rejection came from above. The candlestick wick was not a small wick. It was a very big wick here. So I found out that here the bearish is going to be sentimental in the market. So I took a trade of downward direction. So this was our first trade of this video. Here I took a trade of upward direction. Now see what is the reason for this. As I told you, the trend is still positive here. If the market comes down a little bit, then after a while, the bulls enter here and the price goes up overall. And this is the uptrend that you have to buy on small dips. How can you identify those dips? The first thing is, if the market is near any important zone, then you can identify it. Here you can see that the market was being rejected from one place again and again. And when the market touched there last time, then a green candle was formed here. So I got the idea that if the market touches this point this time and is slightly rejected, then a green candle will definitely be made here, and that green candle will make us a short win. So here I have taken a trade of upward direction. And now I am seeing some other assets in which I have seen some good opportunity. So here I am seeing a good opportunity in EURUSD, that too of selling. You can see that the market is going down by being rejected from a particular level again and again. And that level is very crucial because the market is living there as a wick. And what is happening after becoming a wick? The market is definitely showing rejection from there, and a red candle is forming. We will go back there. The second trade has now been won. So if the market touches this level again and shows a slight rejection, then it will be a confirmation for me. And from there, I will take a trade of downward direction, because I am expecting that a red candle will be made there. But similarly, there are buyers present at the lower level. Whenever the market touches the lower level, a green candle is forming from there, and the market is completely rejected from there and is converting into a green candle. So, if this candle shows me rejection from here, then I will take a trade of upward direction here. If it gives closing on it, then I will prefer to take a trade of upward direction here. Otherwise, we will wait for another good opportunity here, because it is not necessary that whatever you see on the chart, it is necessary that you have to wait here for a good opportunity, a good entry point, so that all your trades are not all, so that most of your trades are successful here. So I did not get the opportunity, the entry was missed, no problem, let's leave it. There is no shortage of assets. You will have to wait a little longer, but definitely you will get a good setup in this market. Never think that you have missed an opportunity, because there are lakes of opportunities here, and you do not have to take all the opportunities out of lakes. If you identify 4 to 5 such opportunities, then your profit of the day will come out of there, but by overtrading, you will always make a loss in the end. So take limited rates of the day. As you have seen, there are 4 to 5 trades in every video of mine, because I prefer to take 4 to 5 trades and hit the profit of the day, which is my take profit. And then I stop trading for that particular day, because there is no point in overtrading. So, see here I have opened a new asset of USDJPYOTC. See here a downward trend is going on, here and here too. So, in the downtrend, obviously, we have to see such an opportunity that the market goes up slightly and reaches our trend line and is rejected. So as you can see here, that the market is going to touch our level here, and the previous 2 lows of the market and the previous 2 highs of this trend line, I will connect them together. And if the same trend line comes to our current level, then it will be a good opportunity for us. So, let's see guys, the market is exactly at the same level, which is the level of our trend line. It is at the same level. So if this candlestick is rejected from here, then I will take the downward direction trail. But if it is sustained on it, then I will take the upward direction trail. It is not possible to sustain here because there is a downtrend and the market is going down from here after reaching the trend line, and see the rejection came from here. So there was a confirmation for me to take the downward direction trail. And here I can also see a very good candlestick pattern. Comment and tell if you know which candlestick pattern is made here. And if you ever see such a candlestick pattern in the market, then you can take the downward direction trail without any hesitation. And it will always make you profit. So there were 3 confirmations behind this downward trade. The first confirmation is that the market is in a downtrend. The second confirmation is that the market reached our trend line and was rejected from there. The third confirmation is that a very big wick was made, and finally, a red candle was made at the end, which means that there is a barrier sentiment in the market, and the market can go down from there. Now you can also see my trade history. I have taken 3 trades in a day, and I have taken all 3 trades live in front of you, and the trade history is in front of you. Guys, so if you want more videos like this, you like trading, then subscribe to my channel, and for free, signals of the binary option. Do check out our Telegram channel. I will give you the link in the description, where I keep providing you free signals of Quotex daily, and you get a lot of trading updates on Telegram, so join my Telegram channel too. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching this.